Germany shows what can be achieved in mid-sized companies with innovative force and know-how. In 2019, CNC 4.0 production will be expanded with an additional flexible manufacturing system and a new production hall. Complex components and assemblies require an equally complex and reliable production process. The keys to success are reliable, reproducible processes, and in particular, zero-defect tool management. Since the installation of the first flexible manufacturing system in 2014, the number of employees has remained constant at 100, while productivity has increased.
Anfang 2014 wurde unser erstes
In early 2014, our first flexible manufacturing system with automated tool supply was put into operation. This has significantly increased our productivity. The success was so overwhelming that we considerably expanded our capacity yet again with a further system in late 2018. We are absolutely convinced of our manufacturing and planning concept.
Von unserem Fertigungs- und unserem Planungskonzept.
The expansion of our manufacturing system has substantially increased our flexibility. 300 machine pallets and 200 raw material pallets are kept at hand in the high bay racks. Each machining center, even in different production halls, can be automatically equipped with 5,000 cutting tools from central tool storage facilities. This means that every component can be produced on any machining center. With our production concept, we've completely automated the entire retooling process. This enables us to offer customers lot size independent prices. No matter whether a quantity of 10 or 1,000 is ordered, the unit price will always be the same. This is absolutely unique in the market.
Absolut einzigartig.
Each order generates a process plan. From FMEA analysis and the production control plan down to tool construction and CNC programming, each step is planned ahead. Process reliability has highest priority. All order specifications are recorded in the ERP system and transferred to production planning. The system performs a full resource check. Required tools are reported to tool assembly. Each tool receives an RFID chip with an ID number for individual identification. Then it is checked and measured. Tools are stored in the central tool storages for later availability. Just in time, it is automatically delivered to the respective machining center. The machine pallets and raw materials are stored in one of the high bay racks. The retrieval system transports them to the loading stations and thus feeds them into the production process. The automated supply of tools and clamping devices does not only enable lot size independent part prices, increased manufacturing flexibility also reduces lead times, which in turn ensures predictable delivery. Our intention was not only to talk about Industry 4.0, but to implement it and to benefit from it. Today, we can say that we've succeeded. We've not only automated our processes, we can also monitor them completely. For example, the clamping of components with digital screwdrivers is checked and controlled via wireless access. Another step towards integrated cross-divisional communication is the digital acquisition of process-inherent data. The quality inspection of components is supported by time-saving digital information from the system. The production system generates a barcode with all production information. During scanning, this data is transferred to the inspection order. This ensures complete traceability. The foundations of our corporate philosophy remain unchanged. Customer-oriented solutions, perfect planning, safe reproducible processes, and lot size independent prices.